Hello everyone, I'm Edward and welcome to Windows Report. In this video I will show you how to make a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Before starting to create a bootable USB drive, it's important that you check the requirements and what is needed for this process. First of all, you'll need a flash drive that is at least 8 GB in size, but a larger flash might be a better choice in case anything goes wrong. You'll also need a Windows 11 ISO file. The best way to get this is from Microsoft's website, since that is the only safe and credible source for ISO files. Unfortunately, there is no official Windows 11 ISO available for download, but Microsoft promised a public preview in July. Lastly, you need to check the official Windows 11 requirements and make sure that your PC can handle Windows 11. Now that you have everything ready, you just need the proper software to create a bootable drive. To make a Windows 11 bootable USB drive, you can download a specialized tool like Rufus. Once you downloaded Rufus, simply double-click it, as it doesn't require any installation. Then make sure that the correct device is selected. This is especially important if you have multiple USB storage devices connected to your PC. You also have to make sure that boot selection is set to disk or ISO image. Now click the Select button. Find the Windows 11 bootable ISO file and select it. Then set image option to standard Windows installation. Now select your partition scheme. Use GPT if you're using UEFI or MBR if you're using BIOS. After doing that, just click on Start, and you'll see a warning window that will appear asking you to confirm that you want to format your flash drive. Select OK and wait for the process to finish. Once the process is finished, your Windows 11 bootable USB drive will be ready to use. Quite easy, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.